Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Ford F-350 XLT. This one has the 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel, and this thing is a riot. Honk. Total price is $67,115. 10-speed automatic, antimatter blue. Thing is gorgeous. Not bad. Drive modes: to haul, eco, slippery, deep snow, sand. We'll go into normal. And to drive. This thing can take the bumps. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe not that aggressive. It's basically like falling off a curb. Man, I love heavy duty trucks. They're just so much fun. Yesterday I drove the Ram. That was the 6.4, not the Cummins. So I can't really compare them because they're very, very different. Cool for the bumpy roads. See how this thing does. Looks like they're gonna be tearing it up though. I'll be gone before then though. Overall, I mean, these trucks are just so capable now. I mean, look at all these commercial trucks. The fact that you can walk in and just buy trucks like this that are comfortable, can be driven every single day. Dude, it's crazy to me. I mean, what are these things now? 1,000 foot-pound of torque that are right there? I mean, that is just crazy. Oh. It just piles on the torque. Just sits there and it's like, all right, you want torque? Have torque. Whoa. go the smooth route, because with what I'm driving, not next, but after that, I'm gonna need this wider road. It might barely fit through that. Oh man, what a truck. These things. Oh man. Alright, go in at a slight angle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.